let's have a look at the timetable or the roster for group classes. Now, for online group classes, we do have a separate roster for free classes and for premium classes. Every class is categorized according to SCA or CSEC. So, if your child is a SCA child, then you can simply jump to see all of the relevant classes he or she will have to attend. And we offer classes every weekday from Monday to Friday. All of the classes in purple are your premium classes that you will access using the premium meeting room, as we spoke about in our last video. All of the classes highlighted in orange will be held in the free meeting room classes. You can do the same if you have a child writing the CSEC exam. Jump to the CSEC class times. And again, you can see that it's separated in terms of math and English. And on Fridays, we have our free student success skills class. Now, we do not have a set roster for our one-on-one online tutorials because they are done by appointment only. In our upcoming video, you will learn how to make a one-on-one appointment with a certified PTI tutor. Also, we do have one-on-one tutorials at our ARIMA Learning Center. You must reserve these tutorials in advance. These are all of the times that are available for our tutorials on campus. So you can navigate to this particular page to look at all of our class days and times, as well as get a gist of just how many different classes we offer your child. We have past paper drills and syllabus topic tutorials, as well as key classes that target specific skills like vocabulary and spelling. Additionally, take advantage of our Student Success Skills class, whether you are a SCA student or a CSEC student.